What's going on, everybody? So today, it's pretty exciting. We're doing Dom's exhaust on his Focus ST. I believe you bought an MBRP, right?
MBRP?
Yeah. So it all came in this package. We'll open it all in a bit and show you everything that's going on. But we're going to be installing this. Hopefully it doesn't go very poorly because this is the first exhaust any of us have installed. So let's hope for the best. So this is the exhaust after it's all laid out. I'm pretty excited to actually see what it's like and hear it. It doesn't look too aggressive, but it looks good. It shouldn't be too bad. All we have to do is cut the midsection right around the wheel just so it can slide over it, and hopefully it doesn't take too long.
Yeah, okay. Where's the screwdriver?
Okay, you take this. You hammer. I'll point this towards you.
Oh God. Is it working?
A little bit. I'm gonna keep cutting, I think. Because this is working well.
Okay,
Well,
wait.
I say well.
Yeah,
Like,
where's that screwdriver? I got this little nipply thing.
So I forgot to record this part, so I'm just doing a voiceover. But we finally got that bolt off that we were struggling with for like 4.5 hours. After cutting it for a while and burning it, we decided to chisel it off with a hammer and a small pry bar, like a hammering pry bar, as well as torching it, and we used a Dremel to slowly cut through it. Luckily, this side, the nut came along with it. It fully peeled off, so it wasn't really an issue. I think from here on, we were just starting to take a break and realize what we were going to get ourselves into with the actual exhaust install, which was not as bad. This took about 5 hours just getting these 2 bolts off because they were super seized. It was a mountain of rust on them, and it was horrible. So after getting this off, we were just thankful to be able to continue on with the rest of the exhaust, and that's about it. Get it right up.
Wait, the other way? Are you lifting it?
I'm not, because it's on the top already. You need to lift it higher. Go up. Yo, there's a hanger up here, bro?
No way.
There is a hanger up here.
Oh my god, dude.
So these are the exhausts after we took it off. You can see how much more restriction it has from the resonator and the muffler compared to just the muffler and the tiny, or sorry, the resonator and the tiny little one. But we're gonna start it up now so you guys can see it. I'm expecting it to be pretty loud, but I'm really excited to see what this how this goes on. We took a couple extra cuts than the instructions said. It said only one cut just right over there for the downpipe to go around, or the muffler to go around the axle, but we had to cut it 3 times, one at the muffler, one in the middle, and then one at the front, just to make sure it actually came off nicely. So we'll start up the car for you now, and then we'll continue on putting this one in. This should be a lot faster considering it's been 5 hours or so getting this out. So let's show you that now. Yeah, you're good.
Are you ready?
Fire it up.
Yep.
Sounds really good. Sounds really good. Oh my god. He wants to leave the exhaust off now.
It's like Street Fighter.
It does sound really good though. Oh my god. Is that an idle? Is that idle?
It's vibrating the house.
It's so aggressive.
Having a good time.
He's having a great time.
Oh my god. Can we just keep it on? Like, I don't need it to exit out of that.
Yeah, I bet you wasted 20 bucks of gas right there.
Whoa. What if we just put pipes, like, leading right?
Side pipes? Dude, side pipes, let's do it. Scrap it.
Yeah.
Throw this in the scrap.
Cut it. We can just
scrap it.
re-weld it and everything.
Dude, let's just throw this on.
Yeah,
Let's just this. We're good.
That's pretty much, like, that's a good exhaust
Perfect.
enough.
Whatever. See, now you're just wait till it actually sounds like really good. Then we're gonna be really excited.
Your facial reactions are great.
It sounds like I put the aggressive tone on that theme, or Need for Speed.
Oh, I felt that in my chest. I'm like, go, gun it to the floor.
I think we're good. Don't worry, you have all this on video. You can rewatch it whenever.
Rewatch it for the rest of my life.
That pop was so intense.
Oh, it felt in my chest. Like skipped a beat.
Oh, didn't like that one. So, she sounds really good.
I'm either in first.
All right, you're good. Ooh. Got the pops that he wanted. Give her one good one. it idle for a minute. Sounds really good. How do you like it?
I love it.
Wait, do you want to hear it from back here?
Yeah.
Yeah? It sounds nasty.
Oh, that's this.
That's the engine starting.
Oh, is that what you wanted to show me?
Yeah.
Here, come here from back here.
That's so deep.
It's so good.
That's exactly what I wanted.
What's good?
See, you can hear from back here all the rumbling.
Okay. Oh, so that's what you're aiming for, the rumbling.
And the big, yeah.
Look at your face is light up
Sounds-
like you just had your first
Sounds
child.
great.
Oh my god.
God.
It does sound
Love
really good.
the like depthness of it.
I know.
So
It's not straight piped.
exactly. Like I don't
Exactly,
like the
you're used to the
whiny
straight
pitch.
pipe.
I don't like the
I know.
high pitch.
That's I even like this better than the open headers.
Yeah.
It's
Honestly,
so much more
Got a
refined.
nice sound.
The
to it.
pops were louder before, but now like the like
It's
verbal-
refined.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
I'm gonna give it another rev.
A little one. You want me to do it then? So you're back here?
Yeah, I can go again.
Because you like the sound that I hear.
Oh my god.
This is like Christmas.
This is better than Christmas.
This is better than Christmas.
That was
You
about
don't have
$5
any
grand.
gas-
I want to hear you actually like rip though up.
Oh, I was gonna
I
say
wanna
like
s-
just floor it.
I do want to hear that, but no. I mean, I want to hit you like hear rev limiter.
Oh my
So
god.
second
Type
gear,
popping.
pull it.
Yeah. We'll do that after when we get everything set up.
No,
We'll
we
go for a
have to
drive.
We'll go for a drive,
check on
yeah.
all that. So.
Yeah. After that.
Actually, yeah, leave it running. I'm gonna go check for the exhaust leaks and if there is any, and then we can put the hangers back up. Yeah, that's just heat coming off there. All feels good. That's touching, isn't it?
What?
That heat shielding. Yeah, that's touching. So we gotta shift everything down. And there's a leak right here. So there's a leak there. This is touching.
So it's got to connect then. Once that connects
Yeah,
better, it
that's
should be
not
fine.
tight enough.
Yeah.
Or not that.
Not in enough.
But it's not in yet.
Yeah.
What am I stuck on? Oh my god.
A rock, cloth, all of the above.
So you got one leak right here. And it's touching right here. Other than that, we're good. So I know this video's ending pretty abruptly and out of the blue. I'm in my basement now, but we didn't really do much after my battery died, so that's why it ends pretty quickly. But all we did was take it for a test drive. I don't know if I tested it for leaks on camera, but there was the small exhaust leak near the back because the clamp that MBRP sent us was a little bit iffy. So Dom's gonna either find another one and or message the company and see if they'll refund it. But overall, the exhaust does sound really nice, and I'm pretty happy about how it turned out. And that was my first exhaust I've ever done, so I'm super excited about that. But the MBRP exhaust is going to be linked in the description below. I do recommend it. It sounds really nice, and for the quality and the price, you can't really beat it. So that's going to be it for today's video, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, 'cause it does help me and the channel out a lot. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, as again, it does help me and the channel a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.